Welcome to AI Tools and Tips. Today's video is a game changer. What if I told you that AI can now build, manage, and scale entire business with minimal human input? We are talking about AI agents that can design websites, write content, market products, talk to customers, and even hire freelancers all by themselves. Let's explore how this is possible and what tools are leading the revolution. Section 1. What are AI agents? AI agents are autonomous programs powered by large language models like GPT-4 or Cloud. Unlike simple chatbots, these agents can think, decide, and act on complex tasks. Access tools like browsers, email, or APIs work continuously without supervision. They follow goals, not just commands. That's the key difference. For example, to give an agent a single prompt, short or drop shipping store and make it profitable. Start. And it begins planning, building, testing, and improving automatically. Number 2, real tools you can choose. Let's look at 5 real tools that let you use or build AI agents today. AutoGPT, open source project that lets GPT-4 autonomously with internet access, memory, and file management. Needs Python setup but super powerful. Agent GPT, a browser based version. You give it a goal and it speaks it into tasks and executes them on screen. No coding needed. Number 3, Taskade AI agents for project management, startup planning, and execution. It automates idea validation and competitor analysis and more. Number 4, ChatDev, a simulated company run can multiple AI agents playing roles like CEO, CTO, coder, designer, and all working together. Think of it as a team of virtual employees. Number 5, SWE agents by Meta. Writes, debugs, and improves real code automatically using GitHub data. These aren't theories. These tools exist today and we are getting better rapidly. Can you build a business with AI agents? Here's real example. An AI agent was given a budget of $100 and the girl make a money as possible online. Much money as possible online. It researched trending products, created a Shopify store, wrote the copy, launched marketing, and started generating revenue, all with minimal human help. AI agents are also launching newsletters, writing and publishing ebooks, running affiliated marketing sites, managing freelance team via Upwork and Fiverr. As soon they'll be doing customer services and operations too. You just need to guide the agent, track its progress, and tweak the results. We are at the beginning of new AI era, one where your entire digital business can be run by autonomous AI tools. If you learn to use these early, you will be ahead of 99% of people. So subscribe to AI Tools and Tips for more tutorials, demos, and business ideas using AI. And let me know in the comments, would you trust on and AI to run your business. Thank you very much.